Good afternoon, hope you had a great day. Let's take a look at the price action for the ASX 200 today, and we'll also take a look at the DAX, spot gold, and we'll look at the Aussie dollar for this evening's European and US session. Okay, let's look at the ASX 30-minute chart, ASX 200. Now we did open and obviously push lower through the day. It's about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. We found a base around the 52.10, bounced off that mildly, and then into the close got sold off again, and we closed lower, actually at the lows for the day. Not looking too great. But we are down in that oversold level here on the 30-minute chart. We're also on an oversold level on the daily, and this is the extension that's roughly the support level for the daily chart, around that 52.23 up to 50 level. We're expecting that to hold up, being well oversold. We may just get a bit of a washout like we've seen now, a bit of a washout of those lows, and then we'll bounce back up. But we'll see how that plays up. Obviously, it's a bit dependent on what happens tonight in the US and European sessions. Okay, looking at the Aussie dollar 4-hourly chart, we have seen that strong movement down off that 77.25, 77.50 zone. That did test that up there and then just fail. We did have that major push down on Friday night session. Now we are still looking for that high low to build because we've got that daily trend is up. If we can get that high low around this zone, say around the 75.50 mark, and at current levels above 7,500, then we could build for a push higher. But we'll see how that goes. Obviously, it's dependent on tonight as well. Okay, looking at spot gold on the 4-hourly chart here. Now we are looking for this overall. This is the daily uptrend, that holding, and that 1305 level holding. If we can zoom in a bit, we can see this is price has been contracting since making the 1375 highs. We had a lower high at roughly the 1365 mark, and then potentially this is another lower high here. Now for that to be confirmed, we really need to take out that 1305 mark and continue lower. Now it looks a bit unlikely that that's going to happen, being in oversold levels, and we're still holding around that 1330 mark. Really, I'd expect to see if this is just a washout at 1330 mark, and we expect to see a higher low build for that push higher, potentially back up over the longer term to 1356 and higher, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, looking at the DAX 4-hourly chart, we came a bit shy of our target resistance level around of that extended leg up of 10,970. We missed that. We made a double top at 10,780. Now obviously we got sold off pretty hard with the US market on Friday night, and we are down at a key level at 10,390 now. If we push down through that tonight and get some continuation, we could be looking down to the 10,109 mark. Now that is a key level. If that breaks, I think that overall leg is going to roll over, and we could see some longer term selling. But I expect, being in well oversold territory, I expect that level to hold up. We may find that we build a lower high here, sorry, higher low, and that could take us back up through the 10,780, 10,970 and higher. But we'll see how that plays out tonight. That's it. We'll speak to you tomorrow.